Good evening, viewers. This is Shaukat Khan YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about the vaccination and vaccination. What is the vaccination? Vaccination to boost the immune system in our body and to prevent us from the life-threatening disease. Vaccination is are effective and preventive of disease, but not 100% due to different reason. So reason number one, the vaccine could be inactive due to incorrect storage and due to expiry date, and number three, the wrong administration. So incorrect storage mean because most of the vaccinations are keeping in under the 25 centigrade temperature, and if this temperature cannot be maintained with this medicine, so that medicine will be not effective enough. So in that case, the storage is very important, and the second one will be sometime expiry medicines are using, or by mistake, or by by mistake they are using the expiry date medicine, that also not useful for the health. And the third one is the wrong administration. Wrong administration is mean some injection we have vaccination, some injection we are getting intramuscular, and some injection to be given to the subcutaneous and intradermal, and some by oral route. So all these routes should be maintained. If we will not give the proper route, so it will be not working, it will not helpful for us. And the medicine, vaccination are giving so many disease, so many viral diseases, so many bacterial disease. So number one, we are giving for the TB, diphtheria, tetanus, mumps, measles, rubella, typhoid, and rabies, and viral hepatitis, and meningitis, and whooping cough. And the last one is for pneumonia. Some pneumonia is also covering by vaccination. So vaccine is the cheapest way to prevent the disease and increase our immune system, because all over the world this vaccine is provided by the government, and government, everybody have a right to get this vaccination in the proper way, in the right way, and it will be the free of cost, because the government, they are serving this preventive medicine to maintain the health of the peoples. And because of that, this is a very cheapest way to maintain our health. Only we have to know the timing of the vaccine is very important, because sometimes this vaccine is getting according to time, when from the childhood, from the child, and before child also, pregnancy, in the pregnancy also, some vaccine to be given in the pregnancy. So if we know the timing and we know the administration, so we have to take this medicine proper way or proper time, so that will be good for our health, and especially for the children of our children. Every child have a right and to get the vaccine. And if we are not more conscious about this vaccination about our children, so in the life that our children will become more sick, and they will not grow properly, and all this problem will be there. So it's better to take the proper vaccination and in proper time. So later on, viewers, I will display one chart also, which is written everything is written on that chart, and timing also after 1 month, after 1 week, after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, after 4 months, and preschool, and all this details are written, so you can see that details. Otherwise, where your preventive medicine department, they know very well, and they know how to do the vaccine and what is the timing of the vaccination. So in that case also, you can get the information from them. And other thing, that the good news, that in the some disease, due to vaccination, some disease eradicated from the world. Only some few, like polio is not all over the world. Only few country could be, say, the very less case the polio is coming. Otherwise, it is eradicated from the world. And the other one is the tetanus. Tetanus also is, this is very critical disease, and this is very painful. Muscle stiffness will be there, and patient need to treat in the dark room. So that also not available now, and I don't think this is exists anymore in the world. And after that, the flu and respiratory illness, all this disease, we have vaccination. So if we will take the proper vaccination, so there will be no problem. Of course, we will not get the 100% prevention, but at least we are getting the less serious condition. And in that case, only if the patient have some symptom of, like measles or mumps or any other disease, so that case we have to give them symptomatic treatment. So that will be enough for them, because they are vaccinated already. So that is not a problem. But the people, those who did not get the vaccination, so those people have a critical condition, could be. And this most of this these disease are life-threatening disease. And in this disease, mostly the temperature will be high grade temperature will be there, and skin rashes, temperatures, and many other problem will be there. So of course, there is a shortness of breath, breathing difficulty, some disease. So all this disease, if we will take the vaccination, so there will be no severity of this disease. So we can counter this disease easily, and we can save over our budget also, because when somebody is getting sick, so we are spending a lot of money and time, and wasting our job also. And this is because of our less knowledge, or we don't have knowledge about the vaccination. So if we will take the vaccination properly, then no problem at all. And lastly, I will put one schedule is there, and according to that schedule, you can see that schedule, and according to that schedule, everybody have to give the vaccine to their children, and there will be no problem at all for anybody. And viewers, this is enough today's video. And if you got some information from this video, so please like and subscribe my video, and don't forget to thumb icon, and you will get another informative video from me next inshallah. And thank you very much, and bye bye.